Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Copilot in Teams. Microsoft Copilot in Teams helps you stay on top of meetings, chats, and collaboration by summarizing conversations, generating notes, tracking action items, and answering questions about discussions. Instead of manually reviewing long chats or meeting recordings, you can use Copilot to quickly find the information you need. So, how does it work? First of all, make sure that you have the Microsoft Copilot subscription. That's basically any subscription from Microsoft has it included. So just choose either personal, family, premium, depending on what you need exactly. For multiple accounts, go for family. For one personal account, go for personal. So here are the benefits. You can read them out by yourselves. I'm not gonna talk deeper in that. So just get it and you will have the Microsoft Copilot ready. Now, open Team from the slide bar here, and from here you will find all the calls, all the teams, etc. that you have. So as you can see here, it should load and then we'll be able to access Copilot throughout Teams. So you can use Copilot throughout Teams, guys, in many ways. First of all, you can use Copilot during a meeting, after a meeting, or within team chats and channels. So simply all you need to do is within Teams to look for the Copilot button in the Teams interface and open the Copilot panel. Once you do that, use Copilot during meetings. Simply, for example, you know about ChatGPT, of course. So here is ChatGPT. What you do, you write a prompt. So let me just show you guys here. Help me with summarizing this meeting. So you could literally just write the same thing that you write to ChatGPT as a prompt to Copilot. The same thing, the same logic. They are AIs, both of them. So just write the same thing and Copilot should deliver to you inside of the chat. And yeah, you could do even more things just by imagining how much you could ask for it. So thank you guys a lot for watching and see you guys next upcoming video.